Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, more equations. That is solving methods in a simple equations, 7th class NCERT. Now, in previous videos, we already learnt about the how to solve an equation through the given constant or by different methods. So now I am going to revise that methods and I am going to tell you a new method also to find the variable value and also solving methods also. So let's start. Here we took first one is a trial and error method. So trial and error method is nothing but if you take an equation that is 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. So in this equation we have to put a values p is equal to from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 or anything or 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So in these values we get a one value to satisfy this condition, both LHS, RHS as well as equal. This is the trial and error method. But coming to the second one, adding, subtracting and multiplying and dividing on both sides. So this method also we tried on the equations to get a simple answers, but always addition subtraction on both sides we cannot do with a equation to get a answer. So other than these two we have another method, that is transposing method. Transposing method. That is nothing but, if you take an example here, that is I am telling you clearly. So 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18. This is it is an equation. So I am going to tell you solve this method by using transposing method. So 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18, right? So now this is 4 multiplying this equation variable with a constant by 4. So now we are transposing this. In a transposing method, while you are transposing a value, that changes the sign also. It means I am telling you here we have plus 4 with a multiplying. Okay, so here take 4 here multiplying. So here m plus 3 by transposing 4 to this is LHS side, right? So this is RHS side. If you transpose 4 from LHS to RHS, then we will get 18 by 4. So now simplify this. 2 2s are 2 9s are. So m plus 3 is equal to 9 by 2. Now we have 3 here. So we are also going to transpose this. So apply transpose here. Transpose. So m equal to 9 by 2 minus 3, because of transposing a value that changes the sign. So here we have plus 3, it goes through RHS, then we will get a minus 3. So by solving this we get an answer. So this is the transposing method. So if you compare these three methods, so we already know trial and error method. By keeping all values in a p, then we will get an answer LHS RHS side equals. But coming to these two comparing, then you will get a better understanding. So if you compare these two, this is case 2, that is method 2, and this is method 3. Let's compare, then you will get a better understanding, I am sure that. So method 2, take equation that is 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. So here also take similar equation, 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. So this is transposing methods, right? So now this is adding subtracting method. If you start 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. Now we have to subtract it. So now add plus 10 on both sides. So 3p minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 5 plus 10. So 10 then gets cancelled. 3p is equal to 15. Now we have to find this value. So this is multiplying with a p. So we have to divide this. So divide by 3 on both sides. So 3p by 3 is equal to 15 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled, 3 1s are 3 5s are. So p equal to 5. This is about the adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing on both sides. This is the method 2. But coming to the transposing, we don't bother about these calculations. See here, this is simple and easy to use. So here 3p minus 10 equal to 5. So now we have to transpose first of all this value. So transpose minus 10 on RHS. I am clearly writing for understanding purpose only. So here 3p is equal to 5. In a transpose, we know that transpose a value that changes the sign also. So here minus 10 we get it plus 10 on RHS. So 3p is equal to 15. Now again transpose this. This is multiplying to a variable. So we have to divide on another side. So transpose minus 2 RHS. Here also 2. So p is equal to 15 by 3. Because of here multiplying, it gets into the divided. So 3 1s are 3 5s are. So p equal to 5. So this is about the comparison between adding and subtraction method, here transposing method. I hope you understand about this session how we are solving the methods in an equation. Those are trial and error and addition, subtracting and transposing. But all cases we cannot solve with those two methods, a trial and error method and this method also. But transposing method is a very simple to use and easy to apply in any equation. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts regarding this session, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.